Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to forward a chat message on WhatsApp using your PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to share an important message or a funny meme with multiple contacts quickly, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this simple process that will make your WhatsApp experience smoother and more efficient. First things first, open up the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the chat, where the message you want to forward is located. You can do this by scrolling through your recent conversations or using the search bar at the top to find the specific chat you're looking for. Now, here's where the magic happens. Find the exact message you want to forward within the chat. It could be a text, an image, or even a voice note. Once you've located it, right-click on the message. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, look for the forward option and click on it. After you've done that, you'll notice a forward icon appear. It usually looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Go ahead and click on that forward icon to proceed to the next step. This is where you get to choose who receives your forwarded message. A list of your WhatsApp contacts and groups will appear. You can select multiple recipients if you want to share the message with more than one person or group. Take your time to choose carefully. You don't want to accidentally send that funny meme to your boss instead of your best friend. Once you've selected all the intended recipients, all that's left to do is hit the send button. And just like that, your message is on its way to its new destination or destinations. Remember, forwarding messages responsibly is important. Always make sure the content you're sharing is appropriate and that the recipients would appreciate receiving it. With this new update, sharing information on WhatsApp from your PC has never been easier. Happy forwarding.